Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. Today we're going to take a look at MMM, that's 3M stock. Is it a good buy right now, and why do I see potential in it? And why am I loading up on this stock, which I learned in the chat room last week? So let's get into it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned on my new videos, and click that bell button next to it as well. So let's get into the chart analysis on this one. So recently we've seen the earnings that was in April, ending around April 25th or so, and we've seen the stock drop from there. And what happened was with the news and the revenue that they had, the issue, what was going on, and we saw the stock drop. So looking at the chart analysis side of this one, why do I see a great potential on this one right now on the reversal and the breakout? So recently we've seen it fall from all the way from 220 in about end of April to all the way down to 159. So that's almost about around 40% drop on that stock right there. So when I see something oversold like that, I'll wait for it to bottom out, and I'll show you the pattern, that quick reversal pattern that I look for when taking a position on a stock like this. So let's zoom in a little bit on this one. So what do we see right here? We've seen it come down all the way to 159.32, and we've seen a break over EMA. That's 9 EMA that I use. That's an exponential moving average, or you can use a simple moving average. If you don't know what those are, just Google them, or there'll also be my course as well that's going to be released soon. And that's where I saw the breakout over that. So when I alerted that in the chat room, if you're not a part of it right now, make sure to head over to my website and join on it. And I alerted this, my entry right here at 170.27. So right there, that was on May 22nd, so right over here. So May 22nd. So looking at it, why did I take that initial entry right there? Because I saw the breakout coming on this one at the 9 EMA, but it failed right there, went down a little bit more, and I waited to add to the position. I took a very small position as I alerted that small size, and I recently added as I saw the hold over EMA, and added on Tuesday the week, and added to MMM right there. That was right below 170 on that one. So I saw it break out over 9 EMA, holding that EMA, and as soon as I saw that pullback right there, I got in on that entry, and boom, it kept going up, broke through that resistance right here, and it's going up. So what am I looking for next in the stock? I'm looking for it to break, at least test this 180 resistance. That is going to be a 50 SMA, and then break over 200, 190, and then 200 SMA resistance right there. So let's go ahead and look at the Fibonacci chart analysis on this one, so we can get exact pivot points, exact resistance levels. So we can see right here, it's 0% all the way down here, 100% is going to be all the way up there. So we've seen it, form a base right here. We saw it hold EMA, and it's on a reversal right now. So where do I see this breaking out next? I'm going to see, looking for it to break out right over here, 182.4. As soon as it hits that 180, 182.4, and breaks over 185, I'm going to see this shoot up all the way up to that 200 level within a few weeks or so. That's what I'm looking at. Again, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. This is just my chart analysis, my opinion, and what I see in the chart itself. So looking at this, I want to see the 180 test within by end of July or so. It's only about 7 points away, so it shouldn't be hard to get up there, but a lot of resistance right here because we've seen that 23.6%, but should have no problem breaking through the resistance. The big next resistance I see is going to be all the way up here, 195, 200 level. So we see rejection off of that. I want to look for this to come down to about 185 or 189, this region right here, and then shoot back up through there. But in the short term, I'm looking for resistance at 182.4. But looking at the chart, again, going back to this, let's go ahead and look at the MACD and the R side. So we're seeing the R side, which is right here, oversold in this entire region. So we don't want to take any position when it's oversold. We want to take a position when it's break over 9 EMA. That's what we see here, and we want to see it hold. And on the next pullback, that's where you want to pull the trigger on the full position on the entry, and then add in small chunks overall right there. So I took my initial position a little early right over here. I added more right here as soon as I saw the pullback about two 2/4 of my position, and I'm still waiting to add a quarter more of the position. So I'm in 3/4 right now. I'm waiting to add a quarter more positions. As soon as I see the 180 resistance test, if it fails, comes back down, test the support, then I'm going to add more to that. If not, I'll take profits, and that's it for my swing trade, and I'll hold a little bit for as a investment in my investment account. So that's basically my analysis on this one. I'm looking for this to head back to 200 easily by the end of this year in 2019. And again, let me know what you think about this stock. Let me know if you think it's a good buy or if it's a good sell, or are you just going to wait on it to consolidate a little bit more on the price. And if you want to join the chat room to receive live alerts like these and stay updated on my trades that I'm taking, make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us and scroll down and click that join now button, and you can get a 1-week free trial of the chat room. If you want to join the chat room immediately, you can grab membership clicking on this on the membership tab, and have a simple month-to-month plan pricing. Also do have a mentorship plan where I teach traders and investors live one-to-one, everything from beginner to advanced level strategies that I use that have worked for me, and things to avoid in the market as well. Again, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. Make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. Also, again, have a great weekend.